Try to lift and pull. God, it's a monster, isn't it?
Everything.
Well, you know where they are now.
This big boy.
Give him payback. Alright, you know where he is, right?
Yeah, he is.
So he's on that corner.
Straight out.
Yep, like right there.
Thank you.
Uh-oh. Oh, got a monster. That fish is running. There you go. Oh, that's a monster.
Oh my gosh.
No, it's about the same size. It's only 27. Alright, so I'm gonna sneak in this little spot here.
Good.
I'm gonna try to net them for you. That's not a big one. Open the bill.
What are you huffing and puffing for?
It's only 24 inches. You already caught 27.
No.
They're all over there.
My shoulders. Probably should take my phone out of my pocket.
That's a good slot fish. That's not a big one, but that's the perfect one to take home.
Heck yeah.
Get closer to the side so the line don't hit the boat. Maybe he's a little bigger than I thought he was. Put your hand up here for more power. Right there. It's a good sized fish. Nice red. But now we know where they are. There should be a bunch of them up there. That is a nice red. Big red. Alright, open the bail. Open the line. Flick that open. Alright, go get another one. Now we know where they are. There's usually 100 of them when you find one.
Okay. Chill. Oh, look. Over there, I see one. Go ahead. Over there. You can see the spot now.
Grab your pole and get it out there. I'll get a picture of them.
Yep, there's another one.
You got one?
Now, Delaney, you can get on up there.
This is when the school gets crazy, when you start catching them like this. There's 100 fish in that little pocket. When there's one, there's 100 more.
Ooh, yeah, this one.
Good sized fish. Come on, everyone, hook up. I want to see a triple. They can do it right here in the corner. That's where they are. Cast it straight that way. Yep, like 11 o'clock. Both of our fish are in the same spot. Look at them all. They're big boys.
Oh, yeah.
I can't even see them in the water, so dark. There we go.
Oh, I got another one.
You going? Come on, get in there. Get in there.
Oh, okay.
Let's get a video of that. Look at all these big boys.
Fat.
Are they all slot? That one might be over.
Yeah.
We need to see if he's over 27.
Come on, Delaney.
Did he swallow it? Nope, he didn't swallow it. Look at these big boys.
Found the school. Woo! Okay. What do you think, man? That's really cool, man. For me? Damn. Cool,
Did you ever see three big boys same size like that? Back to back?
The next best thing is them things on the grill, skin side down.
Let her reel in the next one. Is this one already off the hook? These guys are already all unhooked? Oh, that one's still on the hook. She's got one. Oh, shoot.
Got one. Hang on a second, let me get this shrimp on and I'll get out your way. Oh, that's my hook.
I think you caught the biggest one.
Hey, look at that.
I think you got the big boy. Isn't that fun, guys? He's already caught two.
No, mine is right there.
See what I mean by finding one, then you find the school? We found one, now we know where they all are. It's actually smaller. No, maybe not.
Oh yeah, that one's definitely big. Yo, lady, what's up? Yo, okay.
Dang, that's a big fish.
Yeah.
Another big redfish. Big boys.
Yeah.
Dang.
I'm losing count. What is it, 6 or 7 big ones?
Yeah.
Like
Figure we catch 10 of these and we'll go play with something else. Or we can catch them until you stop catching them. Once the bite stops, then you leave. That's the biggest.
That's a big one.
Yeah, I think that's bigger than 27. I don't know. It might be close to yours. That's a sea trout. Not what we're here for.
Untargeted species.
Dang, I'm nailing. Oh, there we go. They're all sea trout. What the heck? And one day they're all sea trout, the next day they're all sand trout. The ones with spots gotta be 15 inches. The ones without spots have no limit.
Really?
You probably want to fish that side of the boat.
This side?
Yeah, y'all aren't drifting right or something. You going? Bigger sea trout, they're almost keeper size. Where the heck are the sand trout? Hey, get him in that. Oh, that's the size of a sand trout. That's usually how big they are. There's 1,000 of them right here.
Run underneath.
They're right here.
You pull it.
These are big boys. Keep your rod close to the water. There you go. Get that rod out of our way. Just don't let that line touch the boat.
Got it?
You guys don't want to keep one of these things, do you? Okay.
Oh, he's right here.
Look, she's huge.
Alright, keep them off the trolling motor. You're going right for it. Dude, you gotta get off the trolling motor.
Go back to
This... Alright, these are big fish. Let's keep moving these rods out of his way. That's a gigantic fish. So this is what we're chasing out here. We're just trying to find all of his buddies. Look at that thing. Ain't done yet.
Took him home and
Alright, he's coming eventually.
Good God.
There you go. There you go. Come here. You got that. There you go, girl. What are you talking about?
You almost in?
You can't say, girl.
We lay on the floor next to him.
Yeah.
the boat. There he comes towards you.
Good.
Oh my God.
It's wrapped around.
Oh, 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 watch out!
I was just getting ready to.
Don't pull it in.
That's hilarious. Steven's got him. He just snagged on a buoy and turns into a triple tail. That's a tiny one though.